We're continuing topic 3.2, which is implicit differentiation, and we're going to work on example 8. So our question has changed a little bit. Now it says that it wants us to find dy dx, but this piece down here says now let's plug in a 2 once we're done finding that. So I'm going to go ahead and take our derivative implicitly. So we've got the derivative of x squared would be 2x dx dx. And then the derivative of negative 2x cubed would be negative 6x squared dx dx. And then the derivative of y cubed would be 3y squared dy dx. And the derivative of negative x would be negative 1 dx dx. And the derivative of 13 would be 0. I'm going to go ahead and write it clean without the dx dx's. So it would be 2x minus 6x squared plus 3y squared dy dx minus 1 equals 0. Excuse me. So now I need to plug in my 2, and I have to solve for the dy dx. So I'm going to do 2 times 2 minus 6 times 2 squared plus, we just ran into a problem. I need a y value. So I'm going to do that y value here in just a second. So I need something y squared dy dx minus 1 equals 0. All right, so off to the side here, I'm going to do that y value. It's probably not going to be pretty, but it's okay. So we're going to go back to our original equation, and I'm going to plug in my x value into that original equation. So I've got 2 squared minus 2 times 2 cubed plus y cubed minus 2 equals 13. Well, 2 squared is 4. 2 cubed is 8 times the negative 2 is negative 16 plus y cubed minus 2 equals 13. So let's see, I'm seeing 4 minus 16 is negative 12 plus y cubed minus 2 equals 13. Negative 12 minus 2 would be negative 14 y plus y cubed equals 13. And then I'm going to add that 14 to the other side. So you get y cubed equals 27. I'm going to take the cubed root of both sides, and the cubed root of 27 happens to be 3. So that turned out nicer than we thought. So I'm going to plug a 3 in for that y. All right. Now let's finish our arithmetic over here. And I didn't rearrange and make it dy dx equals because sometimes the algebra is harder than putting in the numbers. So 2 times 2 is 4, 2 squared is 4, times 6 is negative 24, 3 squared is 9, times 3 is 27, dy dx minus 1 equals 0. I could try to squish it in over here. Let's see, 4 minus 24 would be negative 20. Then negative 1 would be negative 21 plus 27 dy dx equals 0. 27 dy dx, I'm going to add the 21 to the other side. And then I'm going to divide by the 27, which this is a perfectly good answer. You could reduce it, I suppose. It looks like 3 goes into both of them. 3 goes into 21 7 times and into 27 9 times.